Fight School, what's going on? It's your coach again, it's Johan. Today, we use the paddles, and it's a good way for us to get in a great warm-up. We're gonna get loose, we're gonna work the muscles that are gonna be functioning when we kick. It's a good way to get mobile and weaponize our body. We use the paddles. These are traditional martial arts paddles for kicking, doing round kicks, all kinds of fancy things. Me and Alex, we work, again, lengthening the muscles, getting the mind geared up for what we need to do, which is some nice kickboxing and a little bit of movement, guys. So Fight School, we're in, we're going, we're moving. With the paddles, it's important to remember some technical details. First and foremost, it makes no sense to practice the head kick when I'm 2 feet away from my fighter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have my paddles and I'm gonna prepare for the middle kick when I'm close, right? The inside leg kick when I'm close. The switch middle kick. You're holding paddles. Maybe you're not Roger Mayweather-esque, but you're starting out. Some things to remember are, you wanna hold the paddle at an angle that accommodates the kick. You want to hold it like you're gonna smash someone with a frying pan, right? Like in the cartoons, if you're holding for a round kick. Hold it like a tennis racket, and you're gonna do a overhead smash for a front kick. Those are just examples. You can see it here. Here are front kicks. I hold it like the racket. Now, as we start to continue, we combine kicks. So I have her work here, the middle kicks. Now I'm gonna go inside leg kick and go right to the middle. What she's working on is getting her feet down. She wants to be a ninja, right? She's in all black, she's dressed like one. She wants to land gingerly, move in silence, land in silence. This is how we train when we're not training for impact. It's muscle memory, it's repetition, and it's reps. Here I like to double it up. And again, the paddles are a great way to have your fighter focus on something in front of them, work the tempo, and get mobile, guys. Try it out. Class is dismissed.